And I'm back at Bray's Caravans to get the few problems fixed. There's 3 things.
Still nicely together. Actually moisture in there.
Oh.
Probably hasn't rained for
Yeah,
I don't know how
okay.
many days. Hide things actually cause more problems than they look good. But
Yeah, to hide the screws.
yeah. That's a good sound because it means it's nice, it's fitting in nicely.
Yeah.
It tells me that the wood's good there, but it could be an issue there.
Okay. Something satisfying about
Pulling something apart. Yummy. Straight around a minute once it's clean. Build up of all the stuff on it. The dirt comes down to where the screw holes are. So that means the water's got in behind there. The rest of it's not too bad. It still hasn't hit the new holes.
But they might have caught it in time?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I hope so. Yeah, that's good. Very vague on there. And there's no major. It's like being a physiotherapist on a caravan.
Yeah.
Check your knee joint.
Oh, thank you. It's really interesting seeing the process involved. I actually like being here when the caravan's being fixed. And I've tried to help a little bit, but not much. Not much.
It's I go overkill. You can always wipe it off, but you can't.
Yeah.
You know, you have to take it off again to put more in. Real careful putting those hinges in. If you don't get it right and drop it down, it'll just break the top of the window off.
Right.
Yeah. You look at this one, your caravan only been sitting for 2 days in the dry.
Yeah.
You got a little bit of moisture showing there, but the other side, the whole thing's wet.
Ah.
Sopping.
Some people say I should, rubber paint the whole.
We have done it. You're probably better off, if you are going to spend money,
Yeah.
you're probably better off just getting your seams repaired. But if we rubber painted this and the water's getting in through a seam,
Yeah.
it's still going to rot
Yeah.
because the water's coming in from a different place and still getting into the wood. It'd actually hold it.
Oh yeah.
You know what I mean? It wouldn't actually let it breathe.
True.
the rubber paint, so it'd actually probably make it worse.
The seams would be
These, yeah. See this piece here is joined here.
Yeah.
So this to the top to here is one piece, and then this is only a little piece, a little triangle.
Yeah.
Because we've replaced a lot of these because of tyre blowouts.
Oh,
so
yeah.
we just take this off.
Yeah.
Take this off, take it down to the aluminium guy. He'll press it up to that shape, and we just fit a new one in and paint it,
Oh, okay.
or paint it and then put it back on.
Curious to see how stuck on it is.
Yeah. Did it have double-sided tape?
No,
No, nothing?
just that sealant that's kind of half glue, half.
Okay.
Not the good stuff to use?
No, it's fine. But not if you want to take it off.
I've got some stuff to dissolve it.
Let's loose this way.
Yeah, so there's a few. That one.
Don't know. Rusty. Water's got in. So I think it's right. And look at the way they overlap it. They don't put it under. Over the top, so if water gets in there,
Yeah,
that's where the water's coming in and going into that one. Yeah, I don't know why they use steel nails.
So this part's actually well stuck on?
Yeah, it's they've got sealant in there,
Oh yeah.
but in places you can see it's no real sealant left. So clean up for us, just careful paint spin. Start of some metal choices there. It's good we got that. But then just go whoop,
Oh, okay.
and then it's into that panel. Can't do anything other than replace the whole panel.
This lock has been reconfigured to match my main key, so I'll attempt to put it back together now. Hopefully remember what I'm doing. Actually works. I was too eager. I don't have the window control. It's still stuck behind. Done.
Grease and wax remover. Perfect for getting off anything gluey, old stickers, road grime off the front of your caravan.
I'm gonna get some
in
of
front of your car.
It's been on my to-do list for quite a while.
Oops, sorry.
What?
Did you want to do that?
No. Not really.
And thank you Alan, Manuel, Pauline, Luther, David, Laurie, William, Grace Caravans, Kevin, Mike, and all my other Patreons. Thank you guys.